Ho eiki mo mea mai
E tau pehia hono paka matala i
Sia se whanene no fo Paka i ki hulu moe lahi o e mai Sia si pene fifili koe fei ana Ai hala to tonu kene fo uai Fai fai e no fo fifili pene toki lau e tohi a se mi si tohi tapu o kune whakapakau e kamasiwa poto ko le pea e mau He i he tau taha lua noa He i he pongi pongi na e langi maa O pene toki alu ki he wata E kole ai toto nuke whakaha Pea toki a mai au mo tangata O ne whakaha ne kia si o se wha O teke whakamaa koe he tau e hiwa Pea teke whokotu o pule anga Altani ma
O me tawa lua iwa
Haua si one
Ia ori mo si o se whau
Tuku ai ki
Tuku ai ki mo i ngofu ai
Ke papita iso
E papita iso hiri he ni ma
O e whakama
O e whaahinga o e tangata
He 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 i o e mere mai malanga O e ku whakamatala Pau whoki angi au E ki o mau taulanga O tali e mamata Ai o tupule ana E ngatu pea mo e whala E kapo mohana la lava E kopula vinaka He 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 he
Maloilale. My name is Elder Apuna, and I'm a missionary for the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. As a Polynesian people, we have passed on our most meaningful stories through song and dance. This is how we keep our culture and traditions alive. This dance is very sacred to us because it tells of one of the most important stories, when God the Father and His Son Jesus Christ appeared to one of His children and changed history forever. To learn more, please contact your nearest missionaries or visit us at comeintochrist.org. Ofalahiatu.